It's a Saturday evening na naman dito sa Philippines and binabati ko yung mga viewers natin. It's Friday evening, I think, or Friday morning dyan, no? Correct me if I'm wrong. Lalo na sa mga viewers natin from the United States and Canada. Ayun, maraming salamat sa pagtutok and we're already nearing 1,400 subscribers. And right now, nandito ako kay Landers, kay Soledad, inside the Nuvali Development here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. And maraming nagtatanong, or inquiries, Jaire, meron pa bang lote sa Southdale, sa Aberdeen Estates, and matagal na kasing sold out. But don't worry, dahil we have an existing project dito sa Nuvali na may community na, and they have reopened lots. At ang maganda guys, dalawa siyang magkatabi na lote. Meron kayong option na isa lang yung bilihin, pero kung gusto nyo, dalawang magkatabi para mas malawak yung frontage. At ito yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. Mabilis lang ito ma-dispose guys, lalo na nag-o-offer sila ng 20% down payment for 18 months without any payments ng spot or lump sum. So guys, puntahan natin again. Our starting point would be here in Landers, SNR, and Soledad Mall. Ayan guys, again, our starting point would be here kay Landers, kay Soledad, dito sa unang mga commercial area ni Nuvali para makita nyo kung gaano lang kalapit si Hillcrest dito sa area. And on the left side, ayan yung East Block, yung magiging Central Business District. Actually, it's just one of the CBD or Central Business District na dine-develop dito sa area. So I just want you to also experience kahit behind the camera lang. It's a golden hour here, habang sinushoot namin, and I want you guys to see, kung ano yung beauty ng developments dito sa Santa Rosa, kasi they really want to make this suburban living na environment, and at the same time, kahit na nagde-develop sila ng malalaking mga business district, may mga buildings, is nasa intention talaga nila na magkaroon pa rin ng greenery, trees, puno, open spaces. Kaya if mapansin nyo, marami talagang nagbabikes here. Nagiging weekend getaway na rin to ng mga families malapit dito sa area para magkaroon ng mga outdoor activities such as biking. So right now, binabagalan lang namin yung takbo para mas ma-feel nyo yung area. Pero papunta na tayo kay Hillcrest Estates Nuvali, kung saan nandun yung 2 reopened lots na kung gusto nyo nga na bilhin yung dalawa para mas malaking frontage, pwedeng-pwede kasi magkatabi lang naman sila. So right now, nandito na tayo. On our right side is the Hillcrest Estates Nuvali. Para magkaroon din kayo ng idea sa community, And then, ito na agad, yung entrance ni Hillcrest Estates. Marami lang tayong mga construction workers, sila kuya, maintaining the amenities and the community and yung ibang nagpapagawa ng bahay. And this is the gate. Wow, nakita ko pala ngayon, elevated talaga yung land niya, Papaalam lang kami, for the tripping reservation. So, nakalampas na tayo, sa gate. para magkaroon kayo ng idea anong itsura ng community ni Hillcrest. Pagpasok kasi natin sa gate, meron itong malaking rotonda. On your right, ito na agad yung clubhouse nila. Mamaya, we will try no, na ipakita sa inyo yung itsura ng clubhouse. And elevated kasi talaga yung area dito. So, medyo binabagalan ko lang no, yung ating takbo para mas makita nyo yung community. But from the gate, malapit lang talaga siya, no? Kaya hindi na rin namin puputulin itong video, no? Coming from the gate. So, nagrotonda tayo. Nagbibilang lang ako on my left. Pangatlong kanto lang kasi to. And then, ayun na agad yung lote. So, second kanto dito sa left ko. Ito na agad siya, no? Yung lote na ito. Yan. Ito na agad yung lote, no? So, bababa tayo. Malapit lang talaga siya sa gate. And then, papakita namin sa inyo yung frontage niya. So, our first reopened lot here, no? Dahil dalawang magkatabing lote sila. This is Block 30A Lot 6, no? Ang size niya is 297 square meters. So, mula dito sa may sanga. Ayan, tumatakbo ako guys ngayon kasi medyo malawak yung frontage na to. Mula dito sa may sanga hanggang dito guys, para makita nyo kung gaano kalawak itong first lot natin. Hanggang dito. This is Block 30A, Lot 6. Ang lot size niya is 297 square meters. And for our second lot, no, again, ito lang po yung Block 30A Lot 6. Yung isa is Block 30A Lot 8 katabi lang, which is 288 square meters naman yung sukat. So from here sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon, hanggang dito yung frontage ni Block 30A Lot 8. Again, it's 288 square meters. So when you decided na bumili ng dalawang magkatabi, mula dito ang magiging frontage nyo hanggang dun sa kabilang side. So again, Block 30A Lot 6, 297 square meters, and Block 30A Lot 8, 288 square meters. And we will tour you around the community of Hillcrest Estates, New Valley. So as you can see, no, sa mga nakatayong houses, ayan yung pinapakita namin ngayon. I believe, no, it's newly built. Basta masunod mo lang yung theme na modern Asian, yung colors are earth tone, no, hindi masyadong loud. So wala namang masyadong restrictions, no, when it comes to the houses. And as you can see here also in the area, hindi siya flat, no, rolling terrain siya. And I think it adds beauty sa community, no, and yung exclusivity, and prime talaga siya tignan dahil rolling terrain siya. And look, Gion, I just want you to show, ayan yung mountainous part, no, lalo na siguro kapag meron kayong house dito and mag-rooftop kayo, no, or magkakaroon kayong pocket balcony sa taas, you get to enjoy the view, no, of the area. And at the same time, meron pang view dito ng Makiling, no? And on our right, no, is the clubhouse. So, hindi na natin papasukin ito, guys, since medyo tight na yung security dito sa area. Dahil marami na talagang nakatira, reopened lots lang, no? Pero, papakita namin sa inyo, no, yung itsura niya dun sa video presentations ng commercial ni Ayala. So, merong pool dyan. And, ayan. Medyo mataas ito, Gio, no? Dahil nga rolling terrain itong community. As you can see, Jaire, bakit parang may mga magkakamukhang bahay? Kasi before, it's a mixture of lot and house and lot projects. Ganun naman talaga pag mga lote, no? Lalagyan nila ng konting house and lots para magkaroon ng community dahil hindi naman lahat nung nagpapatayo or bumibili ng lote is papatayuan agad ng bahay. Wow, this is a beautiful house design. Pakita pa namin sa inyo yung ibang itsura ng mga houses here sa Hillcrest Estates, New Valley. Ayan, daan tayo dito sa area na to. So, kung makikita nyo sa camera, no, hindi talaga siya flat, no? Rolling terrain talaga ang character po ng roads dito. So, ito ang ganda ng house na to. Ayan, pakita natin yung itsura nitong houses here. And yung katabi is also a nice house, no? Very modern yung itsura. And ito yung itsura ng mga house and lots here na mga binibenta dati. I believe ito house and lots din, no? House and lot niya din nabili nag-design na siya ng exterior, pinaganda pa niya lalo. And this is the last house no na nakita namin. Ang ganda ng design. Very modern yung itsura. And corner lot siya, guys. Ayan, no? Wow. And Christmas na sa kanya. Ang ganda talaga pag corner lot, no? Ang lawak ng frontage. Dalawang yung frontage mo. So pag-usapan naman natin yung computation, no? Very stretched yung computation ngayon, no? Yung 20% down payment can be paid, no, for 18 months. So ang selling price niya is at 10.3 million, including VAT and other charges. So all in na to, guys, ang total price ng Block 30A Lot 6, 297 square meters is at 11,089,687 pesos. Yung 20% down payment niya, which is at 2,079,000 pesos, no? Plus yung 20% ng other charges at 138,937.5. So ang total required down payment natin is at 2,217,937.5. Less 50,000 peso reservation fee, no? Ang magiging monthly nyo for 18 months would be at 120,440.97 for 18 months. And then yung balance natin, no, after 18 months, which is at 8.8 million, we can pay it through cash or i-loan natin sa bangko. But ang strategy na pwede natin gawin during the course of 18-month down payment, since 0% interest siya, we can pay it in advance, no? So on top of our fixed monthly down payment, pwede tayong mag-advance from time to time para nababawasan yung balance natin sa dulo. For Block 30A Lot 8, no, with a lot area of 288 square meters, ang total receivable or selling price ng property, including VAT na miscellaneous and other charges, wala ka ng ibang babayaran, is at 10,755,000 pesos. Ang total required down payment would be at 2,151,000 pesos, less reservation fee of 50,000 pesos. So ang down payment natin would be 2.1 million na ang net, no, divide by 18 months, so at 116,722.22 for 18 months. After 18 months, ang balanse na may iwan is at 8.6 million, which is pwede nating i-loan sa bank or i-pay in cash. Just like what I'm saying, no, or recommending sa first lot natin, again, pwede tayong mag-advance payment from time to time on top of our fixed monthly down payment during the course of 18 months para nababawasan yung ilo-loan natin sa future or baka nga wala na. So yan ang beauty, no, kapag stretch down payment term. And again, guys, you have the chance na bilhin yung dalawa. So yung dalawa, ang total contract price nila is at around 21 million pesos and nasa around 230,000 pesos naman per month, no, ang kanilang magiging monthly down payment for 18 months if parehas nyo siyang bibilin. So I hope, guys, no, I tour you around Hillcrest New Valley, no, dito sa Santa Rosa City, Laguna. And ang ganda ng dalawang reopened lots, no, isang 297 square meters at isang 288 square meters, and you have the chance, no, to buy them both dahil magkatabi lang naman sila para mas malawak yung magiging lot area and frontage ninyo. So if you guys want to know more about this available reopened lots, please feel free to contact me. You may contact me directly on my Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Add nyo muna ako, guys, kasi minsan napupunta sa spam message, no, yung mga message request natin. And meron din tayong Facebook account, The Property Geek, TikTok account, The Property Geek, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, dito yon, no, sa The Property Geek. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. You can also directly message me on my personal mobile numbers here, 927-185-1590. And for our clients living abroad, this is also my Viber and WhatsApp account. And catch me, no, twice a month in Manila Bulletin Property Living section. So yun yung pinakamabagong channel natin para magpagbigay ng value through real estate, no. Punta lang kayo sa website ng Manila Bulletin so you can access their newspaper online, and of course available naman ang newspapers natin nationwide, no, dito sa Pilipinas. And nandyan ako sa US on December 5 to January 9. Ang point of entry and exit ko would be in Orlando, Florida. So if you want guys na mabisita ko kayo sa isang state, matulungan ko kayo, no, have a free consultation and face-to-face meeting with me, just beat me up. Again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok guys, and this has been again another content na makakapag-give ng value sa inyo, lalo na sa mga gustong mag-invest and magkaroon ng retirement or flipping business or rental business through real estate dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat guys. This is me again, Jeremy Maclay, your property geek. Bye bye and happy weekend.